All right, we now move on to Ielts speaking part 2, and your topic is there. Describe a person you only met once. Met is second form of the verb. It means your topic is past, right? You met once and want to know more about. Want to know more about is present. So your cue card is divided into two parts: met once and want to know more. And then there are the sub points. Please, you can start.
Basically, as I talk about myself, I'm very friendly, and I like to talk to people in many events like parties and any get-together, and even going to any public places. And basically, I always forget the name of the people. There was once I was traveling in train, and there was one girl. She was sitting beside me, and her name was Aisha, and I was going to Karachi to attend the wedding of my cousin. So at the time came when I got bored and my phone discharged, and it was a long journey. So I wished to ask her to give me her. She was as she was reading a newspaper. So I asked her to give me the crossword puzzle game in her newspaper. So she has given me, and I did it, and enjoyed it. And then I asked her few questions. She said that I am very fond of reading, and I usually read something in a whole day.
Okay, thank you very much. You did not give any reference of the person you met once and you want to know more about. So your topic is not clear. Your answer is not clear.
So I'm talking about the girl who is in the train.
Yes, but you dragged the story so much that you didn't come to the second point. So it should be like the first part should be smaller one, and then you should elaborate further why you want to meet her again. What is it that
Okay.
is attracting
Yeah,
you
I was just
towards her?
coming to
No,
this.
you will not have time to come to that. Okay, so you need to give the reference of the main topic time and again in your answer. Otherwise, it takes a friction and then your topic is off topic. Your answer is off topic. Okay, so you should be careful about this thing. After every now and then, so I want to meet her again. That is why I want to see her again. That is why it's my hearty desire to meet her once again. You should talk about that as well. Okay, you took all the time describing how you met her and where you met her and all that, okay? So you should speak in chunks and portions. Anyways, how do people make friends in your country?
In my country, people make friends by, as we talk about our older people, they are usually meet the other peoples, and nowadays our new generation are fond of friends searching the friend online.
Until now, you have not answered the question. So in part three, I expect the first sentence of your answer to answer the question. How do people make friends nowadays? Well, people usually make friends on social media, especially on Facebook, WhatsApp, where they meet. On the other hand, young people make friends when they go to any school, college, or university. This is how they find new people and they become friends. And finally, some people make friends whenever they attend any function or party, they come across like this. So otherwise, your answers are all irrelevant. You should be careful with it. One last question. On what occasions do people like to make friends?
Especially, I think there are the wedding and the birthday parties. These are the occasions where people are get together and meeting with each others. So these are the special occasions from the people, other places they are coming to meet with one another, and in the schools and when we have any short courses somewhere. So in that course, they met with
Okay,
each
thank you
other.
very much. So clarity, relevance, grammar, these things are essential for you. You need to work hard with all these things, okay? Thank you very much.